What is up, you little carrots? Welcome back to Leroy Fixing Shit. My name is Leroy Scuttlebutt. Today we are going to be showing you how to air up the tires on your vehicle. Okay, today our target subject is going to be a 2006 Toyota Avalon, just like the last video. What you're going to need for this project right here is a air gauge and a pancake compressor with the tire filler on it. What you guys are going to do, first you're going to look right here. It says 44 psi. If you guys look right here, 44 psi. What does that mean? That's what we're looking for. That's the max load. Right now we're at just over 30. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to fill her up. Keep your compressor plugged in. Pull your little tire filler right here. This is what we need right here, guys. That's it. So now we're going to turn this compressor around so we can see it, and we're going to be looking at the regulated pressure right here just to see where we're at. But we're looking for 44. Come right back down, push her on in. Hang on a second, guys. I'm going to have to put you on my knee. Fill her up like that. Sorry about that. Now we're in the 40 range, so we're just doing it a little bit more. Right about 44. So right now, I'm gonna turn this off. But that's all we're looking for right there is 44, somewhere in that ballpark. You guys hear the goats and the chickens in the background. But anyways, that's how you guys fill up the tires on your vehicle, okay? Same on every vehicle. There ain't nothing about a wheel that's changed, nothing about a tire that's changed in a while. All y'all got to do, fill her on up, okay? That's it. Now, another thing I wanted to tell you, you don't want to be some stupid motherfucker trying to use something like this bicycle pump, trying to fill a goddamn fucking tire on a car, okay? That's all I wanted to say about that. Use a compressor, pancake compressor, use your nice little tire gauge like so, and make her happen. That's all you got to worry about, okay? Thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'm out here. My name's Leroy Fixing Shit. All I'm doing is fixing shit around the house that needs a fixing when it needs a fixing. That's all. So this is a vehicle update here. Y'all are watching it. This is it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.